Well, where'd you ever bring rain before?
What town? What state?
Sister, the last place I brought rain is now called Starbuck.
What?
They named it after me. Dry, those people did not have enough damp to blink their eyes. But when I rode out of there, I look behind me and I see the prettiest colors. Green, blue, purple, and gold. Colors that will make you cry. And me, I am riding straight through that rainbow.
How are you gonna bring it, Starbuck?
Sodium chloride, pitch the pie, right up to the clouds, electrify the cold front, neutralize the warm front, magnetize occlusions in the sky.
In other words, bunk.
Lady, you're right. Now, do you know why that sounds like bunk? Because it is bunk. Bunk and hokey pokey. And I tell you, I would be ashamed to use any of those methods.
Oh, what methods would you use?
My method's like my name, it's all my very own. You wanna hear my dear?
Yeah.
You only need $100 in advance, but in 24 hours, you'll have rain.
You mean it? Real rain.
Real rain. Now rain's rain, brother, comes from the sky. Wet's known as water, aqua pura. Mammals drink from it, fish swim around in it, little boys wade in it, birds flap their wings and sing a song like sunrise. Water! Woo-wee! Now I recommend it. Oh, I'll ask you the way I'll do it. Well, I'll do it the way I please. I got 11 different methods, but I'll not use one of these. I might take a stick, a hickory stick. I'll pick it up and pitch it up high.
Hot damn!
I'll shout like hell to scare the hell right down from out of the sky. Then the rain comes, then the rain comes, then the rain comes. It's gonna rain all through the morning. It's gonna rain all through the night. It's gonna rain all day tomorrow. And Lord God Almighty, now won't that be a sight? There's cotton out there that'll grow. There's rivers that'll overflow. There's dying cattle that'll rise right up and live. It's gonna rain a month of Sundays. And $100 is all that you gotta give. There's big rain coming. There's big rain coming.
There's big rain coming. There's big rain coming.
Now I'm talking about a good Old Testament wade in the water, shouting glory. Rain. Now I'm talking about it. Take your clothes off, drop in the couch and float like a rowboat. Rain.
There's big rain.
Now I'm talking about it. Catch that catfish, have it a fish fry, plenty of chow chow. Rain.
There's big rain.
Now I'm talking about a once in a lifetime. Tell your children right in the Bible. Never forget it. Making up stories, singing and dancing, friends and neighbors. Give me your hands, sisters. Give me your hands, brothers. Rain comes.
Rain comes.
Rain comes.
Rain comes.
Rain comes. It's gonna rain all through the morning.
It's gonna rain all through the night.
It's gonna rain all day tomorrow.
And Lord God Almighty, now won't that be a sight?
It's gonna rain a month of Sundays.
Rainbow day and night.
Rainbow day and night.
Rain with all its might.
With all its might.